What's going on, guys? Welcome back to No Cap Tech Reviews, and today we're going to finally unbox the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra Gangster. So I've kept this sealed, so this will be a genuine first impression. No setup before this, no sneak peeks. So Samsung has made this thinner, lighter, packed in with new AI features, and added something I genuinely can't wait to test: the built-in privacy display. So let's go ahead and open the box. I've been waiting for this, I can't lie. That one was perfect. Let's see if I could do it second round down. So yes, Samsung still keeping the packaging minimal as usual. Clean box, simple presentation, straight to the point. And would you look at that? Oh my god. Yo, that actually looks sick. Yo, let's take this off. Ooh, that sounds so good. Oh my god. Wow. Oh yeah, this year they put an aluminium frame around it. And I can't lie, it does feel good. Wow, take a look at that, guys. That feels super light as well. Check out the S Pen. Okay, that's something new. The S Pen feels extremely small and thin compared to all the previous generations. Yeah, this is really tiny and thin. Yeah, this is really. Let's put this back in. There you go. But yeah, damn. Guys, take a look at this. Oh my god. This looks so good, bro. I am gassed. So yeah, guys, as I was saying, like, the phone feels so light. So Samsung has actually made this thinner this year. It comes in at 7.9 millimeters, which is 0.3 millimeters thinner than last year's Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And it's also 4 grams lighter. So this one weighs 214 grams. And as you guys saw, when I took this out the box, you can actually feel that refinement straight away in the hand when you take it out the box. That thinner frame definitely makes it feel a bit more refined, the new aluminium material that they used. The design still keeps that Ultra identity, but everything feels a little sharper and cleaner. I also like how what they've done with the back of the camera, the design. I know there's not much of a huge difference. In my opinion, it does make the phone look a lot more, smart and sharp. And of course, you still get that massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display. So scrolling should be incredibly smooth. So let's see what comes in the box. So inside the box is pretty much what we expect now. Let's see if have they stopped giving the charging cable? I feel like these boxes are just getting thinner and thinner every single year, bro. What? Oh, there is a charger, my bad. Yeah, so you get your usual books and stuff. Charging cable, Type C to Type C. Raw. That's it. Yeah, that's it, bro. That's it, bro. That's it. Not even a SIM ejection tool. Oh, yeah. You get the SIM ejection tool as well, guys. Yeah, let's just put that to the side for now. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, this does support super fast charging 3.0. So that's around 60 watts of charging. And Samsung say that you can roughly get 75% battery in around 30 minutes. So I will definitely be giving that a try. The only downside to the phone is, I'd say, they're still using the 5000 milliamp battery. Like, we've had the 5000 milliamp battery from like the S23, from what I can remember. So now, powering this phone is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for the Galaxy. And this is meant to be seriously powerful, like even when coming to, gaming and stuff like that. They've also redesigned the vapor chamber cooling system, so the phone should stay more cool, like when it comes to gaming and stuff like that. One sec, guys, let me just set this up and I'll be right back. So yeah, Samsung also, they say there's more Galaxy AI features this year, which I test out properly in the full review, because Samsung keeps pushing this AI stuff harder every generation, I feel like. And I'll definitely check which ones are genuinely useful and which ones are just gimmicks. Now this one feature, I genuinely cannot wait to try. The new built-in privacy display, guys. Basically, from what I know, you can manually switch it on and it hides your screen from like people who are standing or sitting around you, which is a sick feature. I can't lie, having a built-in privacy display. Like, I can't lie, they smashed it with that, bro. And it comes in handy because I also heard you could like just set it up for your whole screen to become a privacy screen, or when you open certain apps, for example, if you open up your banking app, it would automatically turn into the privacy mode, and even your messages. But yeah, we'll give that a try. Let me just put in my password. Should be here. Sorry, man. It's still installing stuff, guys. But oh yeah, this is the button, bro. This is the button that no other Ultra has. The privacy display. Now, I haven't used this as well, so we'll go through the features together. Okay, so let's click on details. So protect your privacy by making the screen less visible when viewed from a side angle. Okay, so from the sides, people won't be able to see. So turn on privacy display, conditions for turning on, set conditions for turning on privacy display automatically, such as when you use certain apps, when you enter password. Also, they've got a maximum privacy protection as well. So you got two features. So you just turn the privacy display on, or you've got a maximum privacy protection. And this maximum privacy protection makes the screen even more difficult to view. When privacy display is on, this may affect normal viewing in addition to viewing from side angles. Okay, so let's try it, bro. Okay, it's on. Oh my God. Yo. Hold on, let me switch off the thing. Yeah. Oh, it's switched off. So my bad. Man, let's go on the homepage actually, yeah. Yo. Nah, bro. That's actually, like on privacy, bro. Like, it's no cap. And this is it, guys. This ain't even on maximum. Let's try maximum. Privacy display. Let's try max. Okay. The screen does get a bit more dull though when you click on maximum. Like, it doesn't feel like, OLED and stuff like that. But let's give it a go. Yo, that's gone. Screen's disappeared. It looks like the phone has a flat battery. It looks like it's not even switched on. And guys, this is without no screen protector, anything on the phone. You guys just saw I open this up and yo, that's amazing. Let's switch it off. Done. Yeah, look guys, that's off. Like, you can still see the screen. Bro, that is crazy. Guys, like I said, this is actually like crazy that you like seeing it work in real life is actually nuts, I can't lie. And it will be very useful, I'd say, like in public. As I was saying, man, the camera setup does look a lot better. Does look a lot better this year. Yeah, so you get a 200 megapixel main wide camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, and a 50 megapixel telephoto. So Samsung claim the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the cameras are clearer, brighter, and better in low light this year, especially in the night. We will definitely test that properly because camera improvements always sound good on paper, but we'll see what gone in real life. Oh yeah, guys, another feature that I wanted to test properly is the horizontal lock while recording. that could be actually really useful, like for videoing, especially for like content creation. I definitely will be trying that out. The front camera stays at a 12 megapixel, which usually performs solid anyways on Samsung's flagship phones. So this version, which I've bought, is gonna cost you around 4,000. No, sorry, 4,000. And that's crazy. That's the same price as a car, mate. It's gonna cost you £1,449. Yeah. The version I got is 12 gigs of RAM, and I have 512 gigabytes of storage, which honestly should be enough for most people unless you shoot loads of high quality videos and take like high quality pictures. But it should be, honestly, it should be more than that. It's perfect for me, 512 gigabytes. Oh yeah, guys, I also did buy a case for the 26 Ultra from Mouse, and yeah, I see them. I don't know if it's just me, but I see them on like every single advert when I'm watching YouTube, yeah. So I thought, you know what, I'll give them a go this year. By the way, it's not sponsored or anything, bro. I just thought I'd show you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up the case that they've sent me. Well, which I've bought. But yeah, bang. So I got the carbon fiber one, which actually feels good, bro. Yeah, it does feel premium, and yeah, it does feel very strong and sturdy. Yeah, let's go ahead and slap this on. I can't lie, that's the only thing I don't like. You need to protect these phones because they're very expensive. But you know, you don't get this light premium, you know, machine in your hand. Like, it's gonna feel so bulky and heavy. I guarantee you that once I slap this case on. 1 second. Okay, yeah. So I mean, it don't look too bad. You don't. Oh, bro, it doesn't feel that bad. It still feels light, but obviously it's even more lighter without the case. But yeah, I think this looks good. It is expensive though. It cost me around, I think, 70 quid just for this case. But you know, this is a very expensive phone, so I'd say it is worth putting a expensive case on it, something that will protect it. So yeah, I thought I'd give that a go. So first impression, definitely, bro, the phone feels premium. It also feels refined, but the real question is whether these upgrades actually feel big enough day to day. I can tell you from now, the privacy display is already up there, bro. So yeah, guys, what I'll do is I'll use this properly over the next few days. You know, test out the battery, the camera. I'll also be gaming, using the AI features, all of it. And I'll give you my honest full review. If you want that, please let me know in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.